Hello everyone, I am Miss Shivani Anil Murkute from class 7 Synergy National School, Ambazogai. Today I am here with a very interesting experiment of science, which is reflection of light.
3.
Today, with the help of this experiment, we are going to study characteristics of light, which is reflection of light.
3.
Light is an very important aspect in our day-to-day life. Without light, we are not able to see anything. So, let us start the experiment.
3.
For this experiment, we need some material. Here, I have a plastic transparent box. I open the lid with two different surfaces. Here are the two different surfaces.
3.
So, this is a piece of mirror, which is our plane surface, and this is a wooden piece with the foil paper, which is our rough surface.
3.
Plane surface, rough surface.
3.
Then it's a laser light. We have a fragrance stick, can be said as agarbatti, and a matchbox. Now let us see the experiment.
3.
So, below the box I have made a small hole to insert the fragrance stick. So, from here we will insert the fragrance stick. Now, after 1 or 2 minutes, the box will be filled with the smoke of this fragrance stick. You may think why I am using this is just because of the smoke. We can see the light rays clearly.
3.
Now you can see the sufficient smoke has been collected in the box. So I am going to remove the stick from the box. So this is the laser light. First I am putting this light on the plane surface.
3.
Let us see what happens.
3.
So you can see these are the incident rays and these are the reflected rays.
Start.
So as I said, these are the incident rays and these are the reflected rays. Are parallel to each other, and the reflected rays are also parallel to each other. Now let us see what happens on rough surface. You can see these are the incident rays falling on the rough surface, which are parallel, but these reflected rays are not parallel to each other. They reflect but are not.
3.
They reflect but disperse randomly. Now let us again have a look at them. So now these are the incident rays falling on the plane surface, which are parallel, and also the reflected rays are parallel. On the rough surface, you can see clearly the incident rays are parallel, but these reflected rays are not parallel to each other.
3. Okay, madam.
Okay, so the reflection on plane surface is called regular reflection, and the reflection on rough surface is called irregular reflection. From this experiment, we have studied the characteristics of light.
3.
And we see the science behind this phenomenon.
3.
Student, in our day-to-day life, we see many things around us. So we must study the science behind those.
3.
Students, it's a very easy experiment. So I must suggest you to try it at your home. So thanks for watching. Thank you.